Pulizer.
And a G-Pulizer.
G-Pulizer.
P-U-L-I-Z-A. You know, there's a difference between Z and Z.
Correct.
You know that.
Okay.
Z is Z. I don't know how to explain to this. Okay.
Go on.
When you are doing IGSE, GGSE, GSE expensive school program,
then you have a
Z.
And when you
are just doing
then you are
Z. So it's for you to decide. And all good school, most of them either start with a B. Brookhouse, Brayside, Banda School,
Benton,
and a few of them have K's in there,
or H,
or H. That will be the Kenton
and the Hillcrests.
And a bit of T sometimes.
Yeah, St. Andrews. Turi.
Where you go for education.
Pembroke.
Yeah. Pembroke. Where Jamal goes for
some cricket. On the weekends.
And today we went for piano.
To become a jazz man.
Being the grandson of Koinange. The great grandson.
Correct. No, just one great
grandson.
Correct.
And son of Koinange. Jamal. Cricket kidogo, piano kidogo, massage kidogo kwa kichwa.
Alafu bonfire. With some
does he love swimming?
Loves swimming, man.
He does?
Yeah. He loves it. He's always swimming at Peponi on Mondays and Fridays.
Do you swim? You?
Me? I'm a fish, man. Me? Swimming.
The sight of you even naked is the most disgusting.
Why would you think of me naked, Jalas? Why would you?
Press play. It is next to stop.
Join the world of Viusasa Entertainment and enjoy the videos you love. SMS the word Viusasa to 40984. Choose your preferred package plan. Select the amount for your chosen package plan, then click Next. Viusasa, connecting you to the videos you love.
It's the Hot Breakfast with Jeff and Jalango.